So here's how to fix can't join Roblox game error. First, you will need to go to roblox.com and then try to join an experience. And then click on the play button here. Now, if this does not work, you will simply need to go to the Roblox player, right click on it, and then run as admin, and then confirm. Now, if this works for you, you can play it like that. Otherwise, what you can do is right click on the Windows icon, installed apps, and then try to reinstall Roblox by searching for Roblox in here, and then click on the three dots next to Roblox player. Click on uninstall and then uninstall. Now once Roblox is uninstalled, you will need to right click on the Windows logo again, click on run, and in this window type %local app data %, press OK, and it should open up this folder. Now we will need to search for Roblox and then right click and remove this folder. Now you can simply close this and go back to the browser and then type roblox.com/download, and from here you'll need to click on download Windows app and then run it again, and it should start installing Roblox. Now once Roblox is installed, you can run the game again and it should be able to join experiences. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.